Look at that! Dreamer, dude! Oh my god! Good morning, friends of the vlog. This is all of our crap that was in the van, in the garage, in our bench that I took out. So the van is now under construction again. So in case you missed the last vlog, I had to take out our bed and take off this sheet for our bed of wood because there was mold on it. Long story. We are doing full-fledged van renovations today. Now you may think that we're losing it. I think you're right.
First of all, the problem is this bench is a couch and it's far too big. So Riley doesn't really use his room that much. Very rarely. He would prefer to lay directly in the middle of the hallway. So, kill two birds with one stone. We're gonna take the fridge, replace Riley's room with the fridge.
That fridge.
So this fridge will be right here. Kind of far from the kitchen, but... So fridge will be here. The bench will be basically this much shorter. And then this much shorter this way. And then it'll go in a little bit so that basically my yoga mat will fit here. I'll be able to lay my entire yoga mat flat and have all this extra room here, which is actually kind of insane. It'd be really, really nice. That way I won't really need a gym membership quite as bad. Anyway, so the bench is shorter, but we still have storage. And then this little gap here, I'm gonna sacrifice my secret cubby here. And we're gonna put a hole in it, and we'll put our laundry bag in there so that when we have dirty laundry, we can just like lift up the bed and like shove our dirty laundry in there. So it's like out of the way, it has a place. When before it was like sitting in the cubby, like really awkward to get to. When it got full, you like couldn't close it. It was a pain in the butt. The longboard, we're just gonna have one longboard. Apparently Zach is giving up longboard.
Maybe, we'll see.
It's gonna go here, correct?
Yeah. Longboard, surfboard.
Which you might be thinking, how will we watch TV? The projector is gonna get remounted here and we'll be able to hang a curtain along the back and just watch movies. It'll be actually an even bigger screen we'll be able to have, right?
Probably. And
it'll be way more comfortable because before we had to have our heads under the cabinet, which was not super comfortable. What else? Oh, my favorite part.
That we might do.
What?
I really want to. We want to put a wall up with a sliding door here. When you're driving, all the AC and the heat from the cabin kind of just shoots straight into the back, so you don't really get to like hold in any AC in the summer. It just kind of like gets blown around. So it'd be really nice for driving. Not only that, but all the noise and rattling that comes from back here gets kind of annoying. So it'd feel like a nice car.
Yeah, and
to have
Riley
a wall.
Riley wouldn't feel like he's gonna shoot to the back all the time.
That's all we got so far. Heavy renovations, guys. You should have heard us earlier. We were talking about completely getting rid of the bed, making it into a futon, having a hallway, redoing all the plumbing. Absolutely insane. So I'm glad that we dialed it down, and I feel like this is gonna be super good. So I'm gonna start ripping the van apart pretty much. So, ew! What do you guys think? Is he sad about his room? Or is he mad? Don't think he gives two poops about it, honestly. Poopah! Gross in there.
Oh, there. Will you give me a new piece of sandpaper?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It is an icky day out, but we got a lot done on the van yesterday. Ripped up all the flooring, got Riley's room out. You guys saw. So stoked. And Amanda has been filling screw holes and smoothing some areas out. So that's gonna look so good once it's painted. We're gonna change up the paint in the van. We're gonna paint some things black actually, like the lower cabinets and maybe the bench. So now I just gotta get a bench built pretty much and get the wall set up for the fridge to fit in. It's gonna be so sick. The van's gonna feel so refreshing when we get in it. The stoke is on. Today is great so far, and gonna get some more work done in the van. Oh yeah. I think. Dude, the dream right now. All right, I am cleaning up, and it's time to eat dinner, y'all. The waves are pumping right now, and I'm dying to go surf, and I'm really bummed that I can't. Sucks. Quick update on that, guys. I am going to pursue surgery on my shoulder. Recovery time is about a year. It's about 8 months, so super heavy. I just want my shoulder back, dude. I can't surf. I gotta get my shoulder back. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get surgery, but it's gonna happen. But man, we've been watching Ozark, and it is so good. So I'm honestly really stoked to eat some dinner and watch Ozark and work on the van more tomorrow. You. All right, good morning, friends of the vlog. We are on the way to go check the surf, which we already know it's probably sick. It's a bit crispy out, a bit chilly.
And it's offshore,
nipply.
so it's gonna be even colder.
There was some insanely sick swell yesterday and last night. It was clean in like overhead barrels. As you guys know, I'm not surfing and Amanda doesn't like big waves. So hopefully this morning.
I wouldn't say I don't like big waves, but I'm not gonna go out there when it's overhead here because you'll get destroyed.
Yeah. So let's see what we can find. Woo! Get you some. Dude, for sure.
Doing?
Big dog! John! Yeah, no.
Did you ride that thing all the way here?
What?
Did you ride that all the way here?
Heck no.
I was gonna say, Jesus.
What's
I
up,
drove by.
dude?
And yeah.
Oh, that was fun. What's up, Bri? So yeah, Johan's in town. Super cool to see him, and we'll be catching up with him later. So I think we're gonna go surf again later on when the waves get a little bit better. So that was super fun, and they got some good waves. So the dream. All right, friends of the vlog. Amanda's going for sesh. Surf sesh number 2 of the day. And we are meeting up with Johan and Nick. But you guys haven't seen Nick since Tahoe. So yeah, guys, it is going down heavy. And probably Tim. We gotta hit up Tim.
I did hit up Tim.
Okay, cool. What did he say? Anything?
I'm inclusive.
These girls are all over the place. It's going down. You. What up?
Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a minute. 6 feet. 6 feet.
What you got, dude?
Dude, she's riding a big old board. Nick's back. Where you been?
Man, I've been driving. I've been here a week and a half now. So that I've been surfing a little bit. What about you, dude?
Dude, I've been here, dog.
I know, I've been watching you.
Look at that dreamer, dude. Oh my God. Yeah, dog. Johan is out there, dude. Nailed the drone footy, and now he's out to get some money. way. Dude, the boys right now. No way. So fast. Oh my goodness, dude. Everybody's on a log right now. And they're freaking killing it, dude. It's sick.